Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, we are discussing business ideas. And what I'm going to be teaching you is the popcorn business. Very simple business to start. Like, it requires very little capital. And before you know, you're blown up. So now let's get right into today's video. My name is Layo, in case you are new here. And if you are new, please subscribe to the channel. If you are an OG, welcome back once again. So this is everything I'm going to use. Like I was saying earlier, this is the corn for the popcorn. You can get it at any baking store. This is it. You can see. This is margarine. You can replace margarine with groundnut oil, regular groundnut oil. That's even cheaper if you are doing the business in a commercial scale. And this is milk, is just for paparazzi. You just to add an effigy to your popcorn, and this is sugar to sweeten it. So those are the basic ingredients. Every other thing is added, and this is vanilla flavor. So let's go to the kitchen now to start making our popcorn. So now the pot is on fire, and the first thing I'm going to do is to add my margarine. So I'm going to melt the margarine. If it's oil, I'll just add my oil right away. So I'll melt it, and then the next thing I'll do is to add the vanilla flavor. Once this is melted. Once you add vanilla flavor, you begin to smell, everywhere begins to give a good aroma. So if you are selling it outdoor, from every corner, they are going to be smelling your popcorn. So the next thing now is to pour in the corn. So I'm going to pour in the corn since the oil is hot, and I'll cover it, and it begins to pop straight away. Very easy. So I'll cover this. So you can see now that it has already started popping. I don't want to open it because everywhere is going. Let's see. Can you see? So we're going to wait till everything pops, and that's it. Everything has started popping. Okay, now let's open up and see the popcorn. Let's see that. Look at that. Look at that. There are still more corn to pop, so I'm going to cover it and let it pop more. There are still some corn underneath it, and I still want them to pop. So you can see that it's so easy to make. The next thing is just to add your condiments, so whether sugar or milk, and that's all. Business don't set. Now I'm going to take it off the fire, off the heat. So I'll take it to. Before I take it off the heat, I'm going to add in the sugar. So I'll add in the sugar. And I'll give it a good mix. So and that's it. So I'll put out the fire now. Let's go. Yay! We are back. It's so hot. So I'm going to pour it into my container. So guys, this is the popcorn that I made. So if you want to take your popcorn to another level, you can now add powdered milk. So this one will add to the cost of production of your popcorn. But if that's what you want, and if that's what your customers can afford, why not? So I'm going to allow this to cool down a bit. Then I'm going to package it and show you how you can package and sell this popcorn. I'll see you. Welcome back, guys. Now the popcorn is ready. You remember that we've added sugar while it was still on the fire. Now I'm going to divide it into two and package some without milk and package the rest with milk. So like I said earlier, when you add milk, the price would change. The factor in milk, the price will change. So whether you are selling to low income earners or high income earners, how you package and how you um whatever you add is going to end up increasing the price of your popcorn. So let's go. Now I have these two sizes of nylons here. Can you see that? So I'm going to pack into this one first. So if you are somebody that is in school, in a school environment, a university environment, you can try out this business. Students like something that they can munch on. So you're going to sell. You're definitely going to sell. You can get a sealing machine to seal out your nylon, or you can get a nylon like this that is easily sealable. But a sealing machine will be better, and that's it. Voila! Look at that. Let's pack into the smaller one too. So the packaging size will determine the price. Will determine the price. Can you see this one as well? Big one, small one. So however you want to package your product is left to you. That's it. So I can now add milk into this one and then pack it like this as well. So you just sprinkle the milk inside. Some people add a lot of milk. I've seen some vendors that add a lot of milk to their popcorn, and customers rush it just because of that. So you can try that option. You never can tell what's going to be your selling points, and you want to be the best at whatever you do, right? So let's package this as well. Some people even package it first before they now add the milk. So you'll be leaking a lot of milk. Yes, this is it. You can see the milk everywhere. Like, this is good. This popcorn business is a really, really good business. Like I was saying, popcorn business is a very lucrative business, very low capital intensive, and you can start it from the comfort of your home. And that's what I'm all about on this channel. So anytime I share business ideas, it's just for you to start right away. Something you can easily start from the comfort of your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me reach a wider audience. Leave your kind comments and ask your questions. I'll be sure to reply to all of them. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.